Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. Adopted by General Assembly Resolution 61-106 of December 13, 2006. Optional Protocol to the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. The states parties to this protocol have agreed as follows. Article 13. 1. Subject to the entry into force of the Convention, this protocol shall enter into force on the 30th day after the deposit of the 10th instrument of ratification or accession. 2. For each state or regional integration organization ratifying, formally confirming or acceding to this protocol after the deposit of the 10th such instrument, the protocol shall enter into force on the 30th day following the deposit of their respective instrument. Article 14. 1. Reservations incompatible with the object and purpose of this protocol shall not be permitted. 2. Reservations may be withdrawn at any time. Article 15. 1. Any state party may propose an amendment to this protocol and submit it to the Secretary-General of the United Nations. The Secretary-General shall communicate any proposed amendments to the states parties, requesting to be notified whether they favor holding a meeting of the states parties to consider and take decisions on these proposals. If, within 4 months from the date of such communication, at least 1/3 of the states parties favor holding such a meeting, the Secretary-General shall convene the meeting under the auspices of the United Nations. Any amendment approved by a 2/3 majority of the states parties present and voting shall be forwarded by the Secretary-General to the General Assembly of the United Nations for approval and thereafter to all states parties for acceptance. 2. An amendment approved in accordance with paragraph 1 of this article shall enter into force on the 30th day after the number of instruments of acceptance deposited reaches 2/3 of the number of states parties on the date of approval of the amendment. Thereafter, the amendment shall enter into force for any state party on the 30th day after it deposits its instrument of acceptance. The amendment is binding only on those states parties that have accepted it.